Okay, I'm here in Grayson, Georgia, and there's this stray cat up in this tree, pine tree, beautiful pine tree, and he's only about 30 feet up. I've been up there since Sunday, so this makes day 4. He's right there. Birds don't like the fact he's there, right there. Uh, so we're going to get up there and get him. Hopefully he doesn't go higher. That's the plan anyway. Hopefully he'll come to me. I doubt it.
Come on. Come to him.
I got the kitty.
I see kitty in the bag.
Oh, this is a heavy kitty. Oh. Watch out. Oh well.
I was just like, good luck with that hurricane hadn't taken it out. So.
Okay. Here's Kitty. Here's the kitty. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
So why do you do that?
Well, I like to know if the cat. I'm gonna let the cat go, and if he goes home, I want the owner to be able to know where he's been for 4 days.
Oh, okay.
And also, it gives me a little peace of mind that, you know, the cat belonged to somebody.
Sure.
You know, so come on.
We haven't seen any signs posted that they're missing one.
He's a nice kitty.
Uh-huh.
He belongs to somebody. He's well taken care of. Okay, I'm gonna put another can of cat food out here. Okay, if that's all right.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, I kind of wish he didn't have a chip. You know,
Of course.
if we find a chip, that means we're gonna have to search down the owner. You know, I do it one more time.
Now, if it was anywhere on his body, it would go off?
Yeah. Usually they put it behind the neck.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Don't see it. Okay, kitty. You were a gratifying rescue. Always enjoy doing nice kitties, getting nice kitties down, okay? There you go. Okay. Okay, well I put a collar on him, so let people know I found him, who they can call to find out more about him. Hopefully he'll go home, okay? All right.